when Africans speaking, they are building schools for their kids, they are being labeled as racist. Now I'm trying to understand, Ndobanangaba, how are your politicians working? We were fighting illegal immigration and illegal foreigners and illegal everything. They were not there. They were not up here. Now this is a school, good people. It's for South African people. This is a school is for one of the languages that is being spoke in South Africa. Now they are coming to fight and say these people are racist. This school is costing millions and millions and millions. Who can stop that one person who can say, government, I want to build this for only Xhosa speaking? No one is going to stand on the way of that. No one is gonna win. The very same energy that this person is speaking about this university is the very same energy we needed when we were fighting the issue of illegal immigration. This is a school. At least some of the kids are gonna go study there, go be better people in life. Illegal foreigners with drugs and everything in the country. People were quiet. People were quiet. You want all those kids that are doing Afrikaans at school, because there are many Afrikaans medium schools. You want all those kids to go back and to go to one varsity. They can't go to Gauteng because Gauteng doesn't have another Afrikaans medium university. I see nothing. I see absolutely nothing there that you can say this is racist. I see absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. There are so many black kids that are doing Afrikaans medium, I can say. There are so many schools that are doing Afrikaans medium, I can say. And it's not like now they are forced, they are not forced. It's not like I can't go there and say, I want to study in this university with Africans because I'm black. I was doing Afrikaans even in school. You see, that is the thing. I don't see anything racist in this thing. I don't see anything racist. The very same energy. She must take this energy, take it there where we were fighting the issue of illegal immigrants and illegal Ndundun. We were fighting there. We needed this energy. We needed this energy. Good people, let us not be enemy of growth. Let us not be enemy of growth. Do you love the fact that in these Cape Flats, in these places that says African speaking, because when we say African speaking, we're not only referring to whites, they are colors, they are other languages. We want all of these guys to die in drugs and everything, because after they've done at school, they can't go anywhere. Because they can't go to that varsity and that varsity and that varsity because of Africans. No, we can't do that. We can't do that. I don't see any racism. And when racism now, I don't see any racism. I don't see any reason why she would even sit. The government has funded millions and millions. Those schools, who funded those schools that are doing Africans only? It's the government, because these people are staying here. When I was doing grade 7, 6, there was that thing circulating that these schools in Eastern Cape, they are only gonna do everything in Xhosa. Our parents said that's not gonna happen, because these kids at the end of the day, they're not gonna die here in the Western Cape. They are gonna go to other provinces as well, even other countries. Imagine now, I was doing Xhosa from day one up until grade 12, and when I reach grade 12, there's Xhosa varsity. Then I go to Xhosa. Where am I going to go? Absolutely nowhere, because andikwazi uthetha enye language. I don't see anything wrong when they said we're gonna have an Afrikaans medium. And no, it's not a must. I've got many kids that are in that primary school and that high school that is doing Afrikaans, and they are black. After they've done grade 12, they come sit home because they can't go anywhere. That varsity is full, because how many Afrikaans medium schools are doing Afrikaans? They are going to Stellenbosch. How many of them? I, there's absolutely nothing racist up. Do you see anything racist in this thing? Absolutely not.